Okay, hello, good afternoon. It's Wednesday, June 4th, 2025. It's been raining the last couple of days, and look at that, they're catching up. Look at that. Man, they are like mad trying to catch up. They are in a hurry. They lost 2 days of gathering, and they are going to catch up. Look at these bees. Check that out. Whoo-wee! This is on a split that I did about a month and a half ago. They are like in a hurry. It was rainy yesterday and gloomy and rainy and cold the other day. So look at that. Woo! Look at the bees in the air. Holy cow. Look at that. Look how fast they come in. And then they leave fast. Yeah, they're even in the grass. They just can't get in that entrance fast enough. Look at that. Gee whizzikers. Woo-wee. Got some live action. Oh my god. Kind of reminds me of that movie from the 70s called The Swarm. And I shouldn't say the S word because beehives can potentially swarm still right now. I don't want to have that happen. Holy cow. Jeez. Look at the congestion in the air. Holy cow. Look at that. Oh boy. And then I've got a nuke over here. That I put together. Got some guard bees right there. Okay, my shadow is right there. She's been guarding the front. And I checked it the other day. The queens have hatched out and I didn't see any of them, so I'm assuming that they've been on their mating flight. I'm going to check Saturday. Check this out. Oh my god, look at that. These bees are all over the place. Oh my god. They are catching up. They gotta hurry it up, make up one day, 2 days work lost. Holy cow. Phew. I've got all kinds of flowers planted there, barrage, sunflowers. There's one that I planted earlier. I've got all kinds, they're all coming up, just shooting up, right on. Right on. I've got apple trees, got that one over there. Look at that. Just look at the, it's just thick. You can smell the bees. Holy cow. They are busy. Oh my goodness. And see, they're growing so fast, so I had to put a super on there. And this one I've got 2 supers. They're just building on. I got foundation and foundationless frames in the top one right there. I checkerboarded them. Look at how thick these bees are. They are just all over the place. Oh my god. Get back over here. so I don't step on anyone. They are hard at work making honey. I like to get a little closer, but my gosh, I think they'd land in my hair and accidentally get stung. I don't want to get stung. That sucks. Getting stung is not fun. I think I'm going to have to take that reducer out of there too. Holy cow. Yeah, look at those ones. Not as busy. And that one's a nuke that I got in the spring. It was at the end of April. So they're getting some numbers. I got another box on top of them. My God, look at that! Really, look at, you can see all the girls bringing home the groceries. Holy cow! Holy moly! Holy macadamia nut! Sheesh. It's thick bees. This hive is big. It's massive. Lots of bees. Oh my gosh. Just look at them. Oh man, look at all that pollen. Ooh, look, there she goes. She had some big pollen. It's funny watching them. And they land there and they scoot and they got those pollen baskets full. They're so cute when they move. Look at them all. They're cute. They're just scooting on in. Scoot, scoot, scoot.